What is going on, guys? Turbo Details here. I'm Aaron.
I'm Donovan.
And welcome back to another nasty detail.
Today we'll be working on Buick Enclave. This thing has a lot of dog hair. 2 dogs regularly go in, driven by teenagers, spilling drinks, things like that.
Starbucks galore. It is just insane inside. So we'll give you some before shots, and we hope you enjoy the video.
What is up, everybody? Aaron here with Turbo Details. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be working on a Buick Enclave. We got steam cleaning, carpet shampooing, dog hair, lily brushing, all of that. So stay tuned. Also, at the end of the video, we do have the customer's reaction, so stay tuned. It is one of the best. Alrighty, guys, and once again, a quick reminder: at 1,000 subscribers, I am completely shaving my head, completely bald, so make sure to give our channel a subscribe, and we really appreciate it. Alrighty, starting off vacuuming. So as you can see on the business side of things here, our vacuum hose did break, and we got a brand new one, as well as a new vacuum coming for you in the next detail. But we just taped it up because we had to continue working. So you guys, if something goes wrong, just got to continue working. Another tip is we use that drill brush to make sure we can lift all of that dirt and debris up from the lower half of the carpet fibers. Make it easier to vacuum and helps for extracting later. Just a quick tip for all of you car detailers out there, whether you're at a shop or mobile. It's very important to make sure that you enjoy working with the vacuum tip of your choice, because different crevice tools do different things for you, and so we really enjoy this one. It really seems to help get up all of the dog hairs as well as dirt and debris for us. Now, a lot of this dog hair was very stubborn after we did lily brush it and vacuum for quite some time. So just remember, you want to do the best job that you can, and most of the customers know that not all of the dog hair will come up. Some dog hair is just completely embedded in the fibers, so nothing you can really do about that. We have got P&S Carpet Bomber diluted 20-1 in a Chapin multi-sprayer. Amazon affiliate links are coming in the description as before, but currently we do not have them, so stay tuned. Now you can see through the Bissell Spot Clean Pro that it looks like it's coming up pretty clear, but if you actually look in the tube, it is nice and yellow. So you want to make sure you're checking both places to see if you're getting the carpets fully shampooed and dirt extracted. take a quick peek at this insanely satisfying water dump. Comment down below the word satisfying in all caps if you think this is insanely satisfying. According to my records, 30% of you guys are not subscribed, so hit that subscribe button. It really helps out the channel and the YouTube algorithm, getting our videos shown to more and more people to help mobile detailers and car detailers and car enthusiasts start their businesses. Affiliate link to the Lily Brush is going to be in the description. First things first, as soon as we can get them up. This thing saved our life. We would be working for hours more if we did not have the Lily Brush. It's a $10 tool. Insane results. Pro tip, like I've mentioned before for all you guys, you don't want to clean any of the lower plastics because when you're carpet shampooing, they just seem to get dirty again. And if you clean them once, you don't want to have to re-clean them. Save yourself a step, everybody. Now we just picked up this dental duty dental pick kit, and it is extremely useful. I'm ever using it, and we actually use this to dig into the crevices that even the detail brushes couldn't get into. And wow, did it save our lives. I mean, there were some crumbs dug into those buttons and we just picked them right out. So I recommend picking one of those dental duty, any sort of dental kits up. They really help. Alrighty, and just for anyone who is looking to get some APC that we use, we don't use any Meguiar's or anything like that. We use 303's Marine APC diluted 12-to-1 and sometimes 15-to-1. So it works great for us and has been really successful in getting all that dirt and grime off of the plastics and door panels. Alrighty, everybody, that's going to wrap up the video. Thank you so much if you watched this far. Again, comment satisfying in all caps if you thought this video was satisfying, especially the carpet extraction. So enjoy these after photos as well as the customer reaction coming up in less than a minute, everybody. Again, thank you so much for watching Turbo Details. Like, comment, subscribe, and have a great day, everyone. Aaron out.
Excited to see. It looks beautiful from the outside. Look how shiny. Oh my gosh. No way. Oh my god, it's like a brand new car. It's better than it was when I first got it. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys are like magic.